Hello everyone, welcome back. So time for a quick bonus video today. No editing or anything in this one. So this one is an unboxing. This parcel came today from All Beauty and let's see what fragrance I bought this week. So here we go. Hopefully I don't need a knife for this one. Nope, I don't. Okay, so here we go. Well packaged. There's a receipt. Some stuff here. Let's see what I got then, and it's this one. It's Lalique pour Homme. So this is the Eau de Parfum of Lalique pour Homme, 125 mils. Very nice box there. Let's try and get a decent shot of that. And it's got this lion's head logo, which is the theme on this one. Nice silvery box. And the usual information on the back there. So let's see what the bottle looks like. Let's get into it. This is where I could do with a knife or something. I think we should be able to do this though. Okay, I'm not going to try and do that neatly. Let's just get it off. Okay. Right, there we go. So, we're in. Let's see what the bottle's like. And there it is. Lalique pour Homme Eau de Parfum. I love this bottle design. Simple, but really, really good. It's got that lion's head thing. That's the back of it, actually. Here's what it looks like the right way round. And really, really nicely presented bottle. The box just fell off. Let's put it back up there. The reason I've got this one then is very specific, but let's tell you the notes first. A 1997 release, a woody aromatic fragrance. The perfumier on this one is Maurice Roussel, who also did Bogart pour Homme, another one of my real favourites. Top notes are rosemary, lavender, mandarin orange, grapefruit, bergamot, tangerine and pomelo. So did they leave any citrus out there? Hardly. In the mid we have iris, jasmine, lily of the valley and cedar, and base notes are cedarwood. No, sorry, in the mid is cedar, in the base sandalwood, amber, patchouli, vanilla and oak moss. The real reason I bought this one then is because it's really supposed to smell a lot like Creed Bois du Portugal, and I did try this one out the other day in Phoenix in Brent Cross near me, and I've tried it once before. Indeed, it is very similar to Creed Bois du Portugal's on my first impressions, having just sprayed it on a strip. So I'm going to spray it on a little strip now and just give you a very quick first impression, but I will be doing either a full review or some kind of comparison review very soon. So let's just spray it on a strip here. Here we go. Okay, let's get it facing some kind of in the right way. Here we go. Okay. So first impressions on this one. Definitely you can see the similarity between this fragrance and Creed Bois du Portugal, or smell it I should say. It's to me a little bit maybe more green and fresh, but very, very much recognisable, as it must have been influenced by Bois du Portugal. Really nice green citrusy opening, and they mentioned a ton of citrus notes. So they've got this kind of dusty lavender accord underneath, which is really one of the key characteristics of Bois du Portugal. So great fragrance so far based on my impressions. Haven't tested it out wearing it or anything. More about this one coming soon on my channel, you can be sure, and thanks to everyone who recommended this one. I'd heard about it before and you reminded me, guys, so I bought it. Oh yes, All Beauty is where I bought it, and the price was just £31.95 for 125ml Eau de Parfum. More on this one coming soon on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Remember, whatever we're doing in life, let's project. Bye bye.